Welcome back to our new video lesson in General Mathematics, and the topic for this video is composition of functions. Okay, so under composition of functions, the operation on composition of function involves substituting a function into another function. So in this topic, meron tayong dalawang function that will be given, either dalawa, tatlo, or more than 3. And the domain, which is the value of x, will be replaced by the second function. Okay, so dalawa yung function natin. So yung letter x natin, papalitan natin nung equivalent nung second function. Okay, so given two functions, so f of x and g of x, the composite function denoted by f composite g of x is defined by, so ito yung ating susundan na formula or format of our composition of function. So we have f composite of g of x is equal to f of g of x. So, paano uli binabasad? So, that will be f composite g of x is equal to f of g of x. So, yung ating operation symbol is an open circle. So, hindi siya yung shaded circle kasi pagka shaded circle yan, multiplication yon. Okay, so as what we've discussed in the past lesson. So, ito ay unshaded. Open circle siya. F composite g of x is equal to f of g of x. So, ang ating first function is f of x. So, yung ating letter f yung ating first function. Then, yung g of x yung ating second function. Kung ano yung value ng g of x, yun yung ipapalit natin kay letter x mamaya. Okay, so paano uli binabasa yan? So, that is f composite g of x is equal to f of g of x. Or, pag nabaliktad naman yung ating first and second function, so in this case, g composite f of x is equal to g of f of x. So in this case, yung first function natin will be letter g and the value of the domain will be the function of x or the f of x. So ang ating inner function is f of x, ang ating outer function is g. Okay, so let's have an example for the composition of functions. So example 1, so given the functions, f of x is equal to x squared. So ang value ng ating f of x is x squared. So that will be our first function. And the value of g of x is x minus 2. So x minus 2 naman yung second function natin. So find f composite g of x. So, ang outer function natin will be letter f, ang inner function natin will be letter g. So, ito yung ating formula. So, tanggalin natin yung g of x. Anong ipapalit natin? Ipalit mo yung equivalent niya. Ano ba yung equivalent ng g of x natin? That is x minus 2. Kaya, pag tinanggal yung g of x, that will be equivalent to x minus 2. So, that will be f of x minus 2. And then, so, kunin mo naman yung outer function. So, ang outer function natin ay x squared. That is the equivalent of f of x. So, we have x squared or x to the second power. So, ang susunod na gagawin, tatanggalin natin yung letter x, papalit natin yung x minus 2. Dahil sabi nga natin, ang equivalent ng x dito will be the g of x. Anong equivalent ng x natin? Yung x minus 2. Okay, so remove x and replace it with x minus 2. So, tinanggal yung x, pinalitan ng x minus 2, then yung second power, kinopya lang. So, that will be x minus 2 quantity to the second power. Okay, so ito yung mga common mistake pag nakakakita ng ganito. Minsan, hindi natin ina-apply yung rules on polynomials. Minsan, ang ginagawa nyo, x squared plus 4. Sir, ang answer dyan is x squared plus 4. So, kasi in-squared mo yung x, kaya x squared, in-squared mo yung negative 2, that is negative 2 times negative 2 plus 4. So, mali. Hindi yun yung answer doon. Hindi siya x squared plus 4. So, ang kailangan dyan, i-multiply mo yung x minus 2 sa sarili niya. So, we will square the binomial. So, pag in-squared natin, that will be x minus 2 times quantity x minus 2. So, anong i-apply natin? Babalikan nyo yung FOIL method. So, balikan nyo yung multiplication of functions. The link will be posted in our description box para pwedeng balikan. Or, kung may idea pa kayo, pwede rin dito yung square of a binomial. So, binomial yung x minus 2, yung square niya. So, merong certain technique para ma-solve mo siya without using the FOIL method. So, pero ito, FOIL method na lang tayo. So, x times x, that will be x squared, negative 2x. Negative 2 times x, negative 2x, and negative 2 times x, negative 2x ulit. And then, negative 2, that will be negative, or that will be positive 4. So, pag ginamitan ng FOIL method to, hindi na natin i-detalye, gamit na lang kayo ng scratch paper. So, pag ginamitan ng FOIL method dyan, so that will be equivalent to x squared minus 4x plus 4. Ano ba uli yung FOIL method? So, first term, outer term, inner term, and then last term. F composite G is equivalent to x squared minus 4x plus 4. And then, let's have an example number 2. So, same function yung given natin. So, we have same functions here. F of x is equal to x squared. G of x is equal to x minus 2. So, yun nga lang, nabago yung ating given problem. So, ang ating composition of function na given ay g composite f of x. So, therefore, ang outer function natin ngayon ay si letter g. Ang inner function natin ay si letter f. So, pag nire-write natin si formula, magkakabaliktad yung g and f natin. So, that will be g composite f. And then sa kabila, g of f of x. So, kunin mo yung equivalent ng f of x and that will be equivalent to x squared. Saan nanggaling yun? Sa equivalent ng f of x. Tatanggalin yung f of x, papalitan mo ng equivalent niya, x squared. And then, so kunin mo naman yung first function mo. Ngayon, ang first function natin will be g of x and that will be the outer function. So, ang outer function natin will be x minus 2. Saan nanggaling yun? Sa equivalent ng g of x minus 2. Next thing na tayo nagagawin natin, tatanggalin natin yung x, papalitan natin ng x squared. Ulit, tatanggalin yung x, papalit mo equivalent niya, that is x squared. So, pag tinanggal si x, it will be replaced by x squared, and then, copy minus 2. So, wala ka nang i-evaluate dito kasi dissimilar terms na sila. Diba? Wala nang operations na para ma-evaluate pa natin. So, therefore, x squared minus 2 will be our final answer here. So, we have x squared minus 2. Okay, example number 3, same functions pa rin yung given natin. So, f of x, x squared, and g of x, x minus 2. Yun pa rin yung given sa kamukha na example number 1 sa example number 2. So, yun nga lang, ang composition of functions natin nagbinigay dito ay g composite g of x. So, kung ganito yung case natin, ang ating outer function will be g, ang inner function natin will be the equivalent of g of x. So, hindi natin magagamit yung letter f dito, yung f of x natin dito sa case na to. Doon lang tayo magko-concentrate kay x minus 2. Kasi wala ka namang makikitang letter f doon sa ating given or sa ating unknown. Walang letter f sa problem natin. G and G lang yan. So, G composite G. Anong gagawin? Tanggalin ng G of x. Anong ipapalit? X minus 2. Pangalawa, kunin naman yung ating outer function. So, ang outer function natin, nagkataon yung g of x pa rin. So, g is equal to, or g composite g of x is equal to x minus 2. Next, tanggalin yung letter x. So, tanggalin ng letter x, i-replace natin yan ng x minus 2. Dahil ang equivalent daw ni x ay yung equivalent ng g of x. Kaya ang equivalent ng x natin ay yung x minus 2. So, ayun, tinanggal ang x, pinalitan ng x minus 2, kinopya yung negative 2 or minus 2 ulit. And then solve. Negative 2 minus 2, yung letter x ko, kopyahin lang, and then negative 2 minus 2, that will be negative 4. So, final answer will be g composite g of x is equal to x minus 4. Next example, we have here example number 4. Same functions pa rin tayo. So we have function of x or f of x is equal to x squared. G of x is equal to x minus 2. And the composition of functions that we will solve is f composite f of x. So, sa example number 4 naman natin, yung x squared lang tayo magko-concentrate or sa x squared lang tayo magko-concentrate. In this example, hindi natin magagamit ang x minus 2. So, wala siyang silbi para sa example na to. So, x squared ang ating gagamitin for the inner function and the outer function. So, anong unang gagawin? Tanggalin ang f of x, palitan ng x squared. Pangalawa, i-write natin yung ating composition of function. And then, so we'll have the value of f of x and that will be x squared pa rin. Tanggalin yung x, palitan ng x squared. So, yung x tinanggal, pinalitan ng x squared, yung second power niya, may iwan pa rin yun, second power pa rin yun. And then evaluate, so laws of exponent, kapag meron kang exponent sa loob, saka meron kang exponent sa labas, you will just multiply the exponent. So you will copy x and multiply the exponent, that will be x to the fourth power. Example number 5. So, ito, binago na natin example number 5 natin. We have the functions a of x is equal to x plus 2 and b of x is equal to 2x plus 1. And then the composition of function is a composite b of x. So, ang ating outer function is a, ang ating inner function is b. So, remove b of x and replace it with the value of b of x and that is 2x plus 1. Tatanggalin yung b of x, papalitan naman ng equivalent niya. Nagkataon dito ang equivalent niya ay 2x plus 1. So, nanggaling ang 2x plus 1 sa value ng b of x. Next, i-write natin yung ating a or sulat natin yung ating a of x. Anong equivalent ng a of x? X plus 2. So, saan nanggaling ang x plus 2? Sa equivalent ng a or a of x. Tanggalin natin ang x, papalitan natin ng 2x plus 1. So, ulit, tatanggalin ang x, papalitan ng 2x plus 1. So, remove x and replace it with 2x plus 1. Then, you will copy plus 2. Kopyahin lang yung plus 2. So, napunta yung x, pinalitan ng value niya. Ano yung value niya? 2x plus 1. Ano yung value niya? Yung second function or the inner function. Ang inner function natin, 2x plus 1. Then, evaluate. So, 2x plus 1 plus 2. I-add mo lang yung 1 plus 2 dyan. So, therefore, that will be 2x plus 3. So, final answer will be 2x plus 3. And so, that will be all for our discussion for the composition of functions. And this practice problem will be assigned for you to answer. So, you will comment your answer in our comment box. So, the given functions are a of x is equal to x plus 2 and v of x is equal to 2x plus 1. So, find b composite a of x. And that will be all for this video. So, see you again for our next video lesson.